Dave doesn't drink nearly enough water, and he drinks a lot of coffee. So I told him that before he drinks his next cup of coffee, he needs to drink a cup of water, and this is what he did.
Okay. So all I can have today, go to the bathroom now. I'm like thinking you.
Hey, there's Scott Stark, you guys.
I see you, you're walking across the campus, cool professor studying romances.
How does he walk?
Moving with purpose.
Moving with purpose.
Anybody gonna stand in his way? I don't think they're gonna.
So the fire alarm started randomly going off in the cook DeWitt. There's no fire. Noel, did you pull the fire alarm?
Fill in the blank. Where did I go?
Wrong!
I lost a friend somewhere along in the...
I don't know, dude. Stacy's trying to figure out what's going on.
Hi. What are you doing?
I'm rubbing my... This is very viscous hand sanitizer.
Viscous.
I learned that in high school, what that means. Means not thick.
Viscous means having a thick, sticky consistency.
So this is very non-viscous hand sanitizer. Inviscous, unviscous, anti-viscous, viscless, Julia.
Which we should know enough out of, instead of all this, as we're doing these, by the time we get to this.
First try.
Yeah! First try. First try. Hey Cassidy, what are the odds you take a bite of that pumpkin?
1 in 10.
All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, 7. All right, you should do that anyway.
Ow, it hurts my teeth, you can't.
Seriously, you took a bite out of it?
I tried.
Oh, that's disgusting.
Tanner, what are you doing?
I'm trying to impress all the youth group girls.
All the youth group girls.
What's up, bro?
If you're interested,